this is the art project that I would like you to do this week. I encourage you to get out and enjoy doing this. We're basing our art on the work of Andy Goldsworthy. He's one of my favorite artists, and he works outside, and he works with natural objects. He's an environmental artist. One of the interesting things about his art is that it's temporary, and it is only captured permanently on film. The first thing I want to show you is that you can use just about anything for this art. I have a nice natural yard. It's fairly big, and there are lots of things in it that I can use for art. But when you go out to whatever space you have, you might find that things are a little more limiting. I suggest that you take a basket or a bucket or something like that so that you can look around and take what you see. I have grapevine here. You can pull off sticks from something like this. Don't pull up any plants without your parents' permission. You can use all kinds of different things that you find hanging around the outside of your place. Now, if you don't have an outside, if you live in an apartment, the challenge is going to be a little bit different. The challenge will be to make a piece using objects that you find in the home. And I are wandering around the yard looking for good possibilities for natural art. You always need way more supplies than you think you do. I thought I had tons of pine cones, and it's not even near enough.